would be a beach in Siberia. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Hey guys.
We are currently on Olkhon Island, which is an island located in the middle of Lake Baikal in Siberia.
So we got here yesterday. It's very easy to get here. We were staying in Irkutsk at Super Hostel. We just booked a minivan. It was about 1,200 rubles. The journey from Super Hostel to Olkhon Island took about 5 or 6 hours in the minivan.
The minivan takes you to a ferry port and then you get literally the shortest ferry ride, like car ferry ride over. It's probably what, 100 meters from the mainland to the island?
No.
Maybe longer, 500 meters.
It's like a kilometer. Today we're going to show you a little bit around Kazir, which is the capital city here on Olkhon Island. We're going to take you over to Shaman Rock, maybe check out the beach. I know Siberia has beaches.
Beach in Siberia.
And we're going to show you a little bit about our accommodation because we're just staying in the nicest accommodation.
Yeah, it's
totally
so
didn't
cute.
expect it. It's like something out of a Disney film.
And maybe we're gonna get on the lake. I don't know, it's pretty cold in the lake. We're not gonna swim, but we might hire a canoe. We're gonna see if we can do that too.
Yeah.
Because that sounds fun.
Yeah.
Let's go! We are currently at the beach and there are cows. So I know this is technically not a beach because this is a lake and not the ocean, but it does really feel like a beach. It looks like the ocean and you actually can't see past the horizon. You can't see land. So it doesn't actually feel like a lake. So I say the beach. I know it's not a beach, but it does feel like a beach. So quick beach update. Turns out I actually was right. This actually is a beach. Ed just Googled it. And what did it say?
Beaches can also be found by lakes.
Mm-hmm.
They refer to small systems where rock material moves onshore by the forces of the waves or currents.
So, technically, this is a beach.
So we've just made it down here to Shaman Rock. That's it there behind me. It's a major religious site here on the island and people come here on pilgrimage. It's said that the deity of the local god lived there in that cave and it became quite a popular site for sacred rituals and prayers and sacrifices of all pagan priests throughout history. I think we're going to head over and have a bit of a walk on it, see if we can find the secret cave. So I think I found the cave. The cave is said to be the home of Lord Baikal, who is the deity of the indigenous people here on the island. It's also a sacred space where a lot of pagan priests come to make offerings. So, let's go see. Yeah, this is it. Alrighty, so I'll just do a quick little spin. I'm not going to film inside, obviously, but I can see a few different offerings that people have come and left. I can see some notes, I can see some objects, and it really is just something truly special on the island because have a look at where we are. This is absolutely stunning. I can't imagine a more perfect place. I really can't.
We just had to come back because we were gonna hire boats and then we realized that neither of us had any money on us. So we've just come back to our guest house. We have money. It's changed into shorts because out of nowhere it just got really hot. And we thought while we're here we'd show you around because this place is so cute. Staying at a place called Nikita's Homestead and it's kind of magical.
A lot of tourists come here and it's perfectly set up to help you with your trip on Olkhon Island. Nikita's runs tours straight out of the guest house. It's walking distance to the lake and they've got everything you could possibly need right here in the homestead.
So staying here is 2,200 rubles per person per night, which does sound like it's on the pricier side just a little bit, but that does include breakfast and dinner, so you're pretty much set. Thank you. It's tight.
Been a while since I've been rowing.
We've got our safety first life vests on. The guy we hired the boats off was like, don't take them off! So I think he doesn't trust our abilities to stay in the boat.
Because we're not rushing.
Yeah, I feel like he thinks we're gonna crash or something, but you know, we'll see how it goes. Do you want some help? Thank you. Guys, what an amazing day we've had. It's just been so relaxing, hanging out by the lake, going to the beach.
It's been so nice staying here. So if you are in Olkhon Island, definitely base yourself at Nikita's because you're able to walk to Shaman Rock, which you can see behind us. There's a really big beach, you can hire boats and go rowing, there's restaurants, there's everything you need around here. It really is just fantastic.
Yeah, we just had the most loveliest, relaxingest day. That's such a mouthful. Loveliest, relaxingest. There you go.
That's what we've had.
We've had one of those days. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, I'm Sally and this is Ed.
And at the moment we're traveling all the way from Sydney. I feel like I'm saying all the way because it's a long way away now. At the moment we're traveling from Sydney in Australia all the way to London without getting on a single airplane.
And currently we are in Russia, which you can tell. We're in Siberia, which is in Russia. Which you know because you've just watched this video. So if you haven't already done so, please make sure you subscribe down below. Give this video a like, share it, and do all that stuff. Ring the bell, all that jazz.
We'd really appreciate it.
Yeah, and we'll see you in the next video.